Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is extra special because I just got my first instant film camera, the Instax Mini Evo Limited Edition. This is the Fujifilm 90th Anniversary Bundle series, and I'm so excited right now because I've always wanted to try an instant film camera, so I decided to get this one. Let's unbox it. All right, let's take a look inside the box. This is a limited edition pack, so it's different from the regular one. For the regular pack, you only get the camera, but for the limited edition pack, we got a bunch of stuffs. So, inside we got the warranty card, the camera. Let's unwrap it last. Then the leather case, the manual book, lens cap. The lens cap is color matched to the camera. If you get the titanium gold, you will get the same color. If you get the dark silver, you will get the dark silver lens cap. Leather strap, the printing of the logo is also color matched to the camera. USB-C cable to charge the camera. And lastly, this is the camera. This one is titanium gold color. This limited edition feels like a collector's dream, elegant and compact, with just the right amount of shine. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you guys. I'm kidding. So let's try the camera. I've prepared the SD card and the mini film. Actually, this is my first time, and I don't know how to install the film. Let me search for it real quick. Okay, so I just need to slide the latch to open the compartment door. And put the film inside. Make sure to match the yellow mark on the film pack with the yellow indicator inside the film compartment. After that, close it and then turn on the camera. The first action will automatically eject the black protective cover. Let's take a photo and print it. Wow, look at that. The colors are vibrant and the details are crisp. Fujifilm's film quality never disappoints. Okay, so what do I like about this camera? What makes the Mini Evo stand out? First off, this is the hybrid camera. It's not just instant, it's hybrid. You can snap, preview, and print your favorite moments. No wasted film. And not just that, With 10 lens effects and 10 film simulations, you can create up to 100 combinations for unique photos every time. Also, the connectivity. The Mini Evo connects to your phone via Bluetooth, turning it into a portable printer for your favorite digital shots. You just need to download the app. It can also set a timer. So, that's the Instax Mini Evo Limited Edition, a fun, stylish, and creative way to capture your favorite moments. It's perfect for anyone who loves instant photography, whether you're snapping for nostalgia or just experimenting with cool effects. But keep in mind, this isn't a professional camera. It's all about enjoying the process and making memories you can hold in your hand. If you're looking for high-end image quality or advanced features, this might not be the one for you. But for creativity and fun, it's hard to beat. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more unboxing and photography content. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the Instax Mini Evo? Until next time, keep capturing the moments that matter, and I'll see you guys next time.